Hello everyone, I am Chelma Reddy. Welcome to CR Maths class. So today I am going to discuss solution of system of non-homogeneous linear equations in two variables and three variables. First I am going to discuss two unknowns. That means two variables. Those are x and y. These are the variables. Okay. Now the system of linear equations, non-homogeneous linear equations, a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to c1, a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. It's we can write matrix equation form ax is equal to d. A is called coefficient matrix. This is A. And x is called variable matrix. This is x. And d is the constant matrix. This is the d matrix. Okay, students. By observing this, here three different cases are there. By observing the cases, then we will decide the system of equation has solution or not. See here, first one, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. The system has unique solutions. The system has unique solution. Unique means only one solution. Next, in second case, observe that a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. C1 by c2. System has no solution. In this case, the system has no solution. Okay. Next, third condition, observe that a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. This condition is exist means the system has infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. Here they are given consistent, inconsistent system of equations. Consistent means the system has solutions, either unique solution or infinitely many solutions. That's why unique solution is consistent, infinitely many solution also consistent. If it has no solution, in this case, we will say that the system is inconsistent system of linear, non-homogeneous linear equations. Okay. Now I am going to discuss in three variables, three unknowns. See here, solution of system of non-homogeneous linear equation in three unknowns. Three unknown means what? X, Y, and Z. These are the three variables, unknowns. Now the system of equations already yesterday explained in last class. A1x plus b1y plus c1z is equal to d1. A2x plus b2y plus c2z is equal to d2. A3x plus b3y plus c3z is equal to d3. It is a matrix equation form. We can write ax is equal to d. Okay. Now, what is A? A is the coefficient matrix. B is X is the variable matrix. D is the constant matrix. Here, this is a shortcut method. Det A value not equal to 0 means the system has unique solution. Det A not equal to 0 means the system has unique solution. Det A 0 means the system also has infinitely many solution or no solution. This is a shortcut method. If they will ask the system of equation has unique solution, at that time use that shortcut method det A is equal to 0. Det A is equal to 0. Okay. Next. Here remember it, unique solution means det A not equal to 0. Infinite many solution or no solution means det A is equal to 0. This is shortcut method. Remember it. Okay, students. Now, here definition see that consistent system, inconsistent system. What is consistent system? A system of equations is said to be consistent if it has solution. The solution is one or more. One or more. Inconsistent means its solution does not exist. That means it has no solution. No solution means we will say that the system is inconsistent. It has solution. Solutions here two types. One is unique solution. Another one is infinite many solution. Okay, two solution, three solutions not there. Either unique solution or infinite many solution. Then only the system we will say that consistent system. No solution means inconsistent system. Okay. Now I am going to discuss homogeneous linear equations. What is the difference between homogeneous and non-homogeneous? You know that. Constant elements, 0 means that is homogeneous, otherwise non-homogeneous. Here students, we are taking only two unknowns, that means two variables. Observe these homogeneous equations. Right hand side term, that means constant, it is 0. So these equations, we can write matrix equation form. Ax is equal to 0. A is called coefficient matrix. This is A. X is called variable matrix. And constant matrix is null set. Null matrix. Now, here see, first case. What is the first case? A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. The system has unique solution. Those solutions are x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. Directly we can write that. Directly we can write the solutions x0, y0. These solutions, we will say that trivial solutions. Trivial solution or unique solution. Unique solution. Next, in second case, observe that what is there in second case? In second case, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2. The system has infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solution means we will say that non-trivial solutions. So here either unique solution or infinitely many solutions. That means we will say that homogeneous equations always consistent. Okay, homogeneous equations are always consistent only. You're already given third point, see that? Always consistent. The above system of equations is always consistent. Okay, two unknowns given means how to find that the solution. These are the two cases. Okay, students, I'm going to three unknowns. Three unknowns. Here we can use another shortcut formula also. In first case, det A not equal to 0. This is a shortcut formula. In second case, det A is equal to 0. By using determinant, it is not equal to 0 means trivial solutions. Equal to 0 means we will say that non-trivial solutions. Students, all of you understood now? Right. Next, I am going to three unknowns. Three unknowns means X, Y, Z. These are the homogeneous system of linear equations. A1x plus b1y plus c1z is equal to 0. A2x plus b2y plus c2z is equal to 0. A3x plus b3y plus c3z is equal to 0. These we can write matrix equation form. Matrix equation form Ax is equal to 0. A is called coefficient matrix. X is called variable matrix. Y is called null matrix. Okay. This is coefficient matrix. This is variable matrix. This is null matrix. Students, are you understood? By observing the coefficient matrix, we will say that the system has unique solution or infinitely many solutions. That means those are trivial solution or non-trivial solution. So here observe that det A not equal to 0. This shortcut formula, remember it. The system has unique solution or trivial solution. Unique solution, trivial solution, both the same. Those solutions are x is equal to y is equal to z is equal to 0. Directly we can write. If det A not equal to 0 means the system has trivial solutions, x is equal to y is equal to z is equal to 0. Okay. In case det value you got 0, the system has infinitely many solutions. Those are non-trivial solutions. Those are non-trivial solutions. Already I said the system of homogeneous equations always consistent only. Consistent means it has solutions. So homogeneous equations have 100% solutions. Okay, please copy this. That is the rank method. Solution of system of linear equations by using rank method. Rank method. How to do this? System of equations. First we can write in the form of Ax is equal to D. In place of B, students write D. D is constant matrix. Because previous also we are written D only. In place of B, write D. Don't write B, okay? This is a D. Now, Ax is equal to B. Write the augmented matrix. Augmented matrix means here coefficient matrix and constant matrix. Both we can write mixed. Coefficient matrix means what? A1, B1, C1. A2, B2, C2. A3, B3, C3. This is coefficient matrix. And write constant matrix also. D1, D2, D3. By mixing both the matrix, coefficient matrix and constant matrix, is called augmented matrix. Augmented matrix. Students, all of you understood now how to write the augmented matrix. Reduce the augmented matrix to echelon form. So here we need to find the rank. How to find rank? There are two methods. One is echelon form, another one is det method. Det method. So here they are given echelon form method, no problem. Whenever we are solving the question, at that time I will use Det method only. Okay, both are easy only. So augmented matrix reduced to echelon form using elementary row transformations only row operations. Don't do the column operations here. If you are done column operations, can't get rank exactly, it is going to change. But number of times use row operations, there is no change in rank. Okay. Now determine the rank of the coefficient matrix A and augmented matrix AD. By observing these two ranks, then we will decide the system has solution or not. Okay. Now see here, if rank of A is not equal to rank of AD, both the ranks are not equal means, then we will say that the system of equations inconsistent. Inconsistent means what? No solution. Consistent means it has solutions. Yes or no? Rank of A, rank of AD, both are not equal means the system of equations is inconsistent. Next, rank of A that is equal to rank of AD. That means I will write here rank of A is equal to rank of AD. Both the ranks are equal. That is equal to 3. Equal to 3. Then we will say that the system is consistent and it has unique solutions. Consistent and it has a unique solution. Okay. And observe the third point. If rank of A is equal to rank of B less than the number of unknowns, that meaning is rank of A is equal to rank of AD less than 3. Less than 3 means both are equal to 2 or both are equal to 1. Exactly 3 means unique solution. Less than 3, that is both the ranks are equal to 2 or equal to 1 means we will say that the system is consistent and it has infinitely many solutions. Students, are you understood? Both the ranks are equal. Equal to 3 means unique solution. Less than 3 means infinitely many solutions. If both the ranks are not equal means there is no solution. If there is no solution, there is no issue. No need to do that. So no solution, those type of questions, they don't give in the examination. Maximum they will give either unique solution or infinitely many solution related. Okay. Here, what is the shortcut method? No solution means that A is equal to 0. Infinitely many solution means that A is equal to 0. Unique solution means that A not equal to 0. This is a shortcut method. Okay. Right. I'm going to homogeneous system of equations by using rank method. Rank of A, number of variables. So here, rank of A exactly 3 means, we will say that those solutions are trivial solutions. Trivial solutions or zero solutions. How to write the zero solutions here? X is equal to, Y is equal to, Z is equal to 0. When it is possible, rank of A value is 3. Rank of A value is 3 means it has trivial solutions and those are X is equal to Y is equal to Z. Rank of A less than number of variables. Here 3 variables now. Less than 3 they are saying. Less than 3. Rank of A less than 3. That means rank of A value either 2 or 1 means the system has non-trivial solutions. It will have infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. Here, what is the shortcut method, students? Trivial solution means det A not equal to 0. Non-trivial solution means det A is equal to 0. This is a shortcut method. Remember it. This is a shortcut method. Okay.